So when we look at the stages of consciousness in which a person can exist, the lowest stage of existence is the Annamaya stage, where eating, sleeping, and mating and defending become prominent. Therefore, in the Vedas, the people who are too much addicted to sex life or improving their eating facility, have nice restaurants, have McDonald's and KFC, and have a nice arrangement, have air conditioning, and you have advanced the technology of cooking so that the French fries you get out of it, they should taste the same crispiness everywhere. In any McDonald's you go and take, it should be the same, the taste and the crispiness should be the same. So you have invented and you have worked hard on it. You have created SOPs. You have standardized the raw materials, the equipment. So much endeavor they are taking. Why? Simply to satisfy the tongue for one French fry. So you can see how their level of consciousness is totally on the Annamaya platform. Eating, sleeping, mating, defending. These 4 activities have to be run very nicely. This is the whole consciousness of the civilization. Whether you take the government, whether you take activists, whether you take the media, you take research, you take scientists, you take colleges, education, everything is centered around these 4 activities. So this whole civilization is on the lowest platform of consciousness, Annamaya consciousness, which is nothing other than animal consciousness. Therefore, the civilization, as Srila Prabhupada mentioned, is an animal civilization running on 4 wheels instead of 4 legs. That's the only difference. Animals run on 4 legs, we are running on 4 wheels, and we are thinking we are advanced. But if you look at the rigorous analysis from the Vedic perspective, this civilization is a very fallen civilization. Because our state of consciousness that is being propagated is Annamaya consciousness. Whole civilization, governments, the economy, everything is centered around enhancing these 4 activities. Therefore, the civilization is Asuric civilization. Only asuras or demons, they are called demons. Why? Because they are captivated by ignorance, and the whole central point in their life is only these 4 activities. And therefore, the Bhagavatam is saying such a life is very abominable. We should not continue to remain captivated by ignorance. Tamasima Jyotir Gama. We should not continue to remain in ignorance, having got the human form of life. Jyotir Gama, we should go towards knowledge, enlightenment. And this is what the Vedas are exhorting all of us. The Vedanta Sutra also states, Athato Brahma Jitnyasa. Now that you have got the human form of life, please don't continue inquiring about eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. Please ask about Brahman, about spiritual subject matter. That is the real utilization of the human form of life. This is what the Vedas and the Bhagavatam, they are reminding the human civilization about the higher purpose of life, and to shift our focus towards the higher purposes of life.